Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do your cats love looking out the window as much as mine do? Well, if they do, then you might want to consider this awesome cat perch. This is from Caloreduce, and what I really love about it is that it sits so high and your cats can go and look out the window anytime. This cat perch is nice and narrow, and it does not take up a lot of room. It's almost 4 feet high, and it was very easy to put together with the really easy instructions. I really appreciated that the materials that it's made out of are real wood and real rope on the cat scratching post. The post they can use, of course, for cat scratching, and if they're a climber, they can also use it to get up into the perch. Once they're in the perch is made out of a heavy-duty cloth, so they can sit in it and look out the window or do their cat thing by being lazy and lounging. In addition, the perch is really nice if your cats like looking out the window at birds, and it has really nice suction cups that you can put right to the window so it stays in place. And these suction cups are nice and powerful so the perch does not move around at all. If your furry friends love being nosy, they will love being able to use this perch. I really appreciate that it's nice and narrow, it's well made, and most of all, it provides entertainment for them. But that's just my point of view.